Hi, Sean. Instead of sending you 5 different tutorial links, what I'll do is I'm just going to create a quick video for you. So we have the product here. Basically, what you want to do if you want to create a new, excuse me, catalog, rows of catalog pages is you simply um, copy the entire table. So you select where it says table catalog, you click that, click an existing one, you would copy it, or sorry, table catalog, edit, copy, where the code that says paste here, put your thing there, edit, paste. That creates a new box. Now, how the actual light boxes work is this. So we have an image right here, and let's just go to the code view for this because it's the best way to explain it. Okay, so we have an image right here. I'm just going to put this on a separate line so I can sort of share what we have going on here. Okay, I'm just going to break it down to sort of viewable bits and pieces. Even if you're not an HTML guy, it doesn't really matter. It's the same. I just wanted to show you how this sort of worked. Each image is wrapped in a div class called catalog small, right there. At the very top of the page, we have this little script here, and basically says anything for the lightbox to work, look for the div container of catalog small. And if it has an A link, in other words, if it's linked, if it links to something, which is the larger image, then also include that in the lightbox. So basically the way the lightbox works is once you copy and paste your catalog button, let's just go back to the design view here for a sec. We'll select this one here, just go to code view, right? Once you've copied and pasted your item, anything that is wrapped in a catalog small and also includes a link to the larger image, which is right here, right? Then what will happen is it'll work automatically. So there's two parts to setting this up. Don't, like, when you go, always copy and paste an existing working table. So take this, copy and paste it, okay, and then do the following. You can adjust your name, you can adjust your price. For the image, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to double click on the image and use the select image source. Okay, you're not going to remove an image and drag a new one in place. You're going to use the select image source. So you're going to double click, and then you can go to your images folder here, and you can put in or go find your new image. I'll use a green one right here, for example. These are all the 150s right here, and that's the large one there. So select the image and make sure it's 150 by 150. Right, so select it and click OK. See, it changes the image. Now what you need to do is also change the hyperlink. And if we look down here in the properties panel, we see the source, which is where the original image is coming from, and then we see link. Well, this is where you would click the little point to file tool, or you can use the browse to file. Okay, so click that open, and then you can browse to, and then you can pick your large image, right? So you go through and hover over, and right, it'll find a large image for you, and we'll click that one there for fun. We'll click that. Okay, so that is it. You don't really need to go into the code to do it, but if you do, as long as you make sure that your div container, right, that has to stay intact. It has to be a div container that uses the class of catalog small, and it has to have the main image, the small 150 by 150 image, has to be linked to something else. As soon as you do that, the lightbox will work automatically. Okay, so I'm just going to save this page and preview it in a browser, and we'll take a look at that red image down below here, this last one. If I click it, it's automatically going to bring up that large green image which we linked, and then it's also going to bring up all other images that were within the lightbox, or all the other images within this page here. So I hope that helps. So the key points being is use your select image source tool by double clicking on the picture, find your new image, and then use the link tool down here to link to the larger image for the lightbox. But don't delete something like this and then drag a new image in. It just won't work, because then you'll have to relink all that stuff back in the code, and it's just going to cause a nuisance.